All right, so there's a lot of enterprise businesses out there taking a look at AI and trying to figure out how am I going to use this. Uh, but naturally, they're going to face a lot of challenges in using AI. So, what are those challenges that they're probably going to face right off the get go?
I think the number one challenge is they're going to face disinformation amongst executives. Most big businesses have, a handful of executives making the decisions, and we've run across a lot that have had just crossing streams of, well, I heard it does this, well, I heard it does this. There's a lot of assumptions. That's one of the biggest challenges is combating what does AI do, because you might know your problems of your business or some of them, but if you don't know exactly how it can do those things or solve those problems, and the way the technology is, like, for example, the technology at this point is a pattern behavior recognition technology. It's not a thinking technology. It doesn't
Yeah.
think, right? AI is just trained on trillions of pieces of data of these patterns and nuances in patterns, so it actually gives you really good results and responses when you're done. But a lot of people think, hey, it's thinking for me, or it's doing this, or it's automating all these things for me. It's like, no, that's automation. That's not AI. These are different kind of things that you're dealing with. So I think that the disinformation is actually one of the biggest challenges, and trying to get everyone on the same page, understanding technology, and knowing what it can do, and specifically what it can do for your business.
So that makes sense. As an AI consultant trying to go in to help an enterprise business, how am I going to help them face and overcome those challenges?
Yeah, I think that's the other. That's why consultants really valuable for an enterprise business, because a consultant can come in, be the expert, be someone who's read through all the articles and knows the technology really well and knows what it can and can't do, and actually get everyone on the same page. So I've
Mm.
seen consultants come in and do wonders for these executive teams to helping them know how to deal with this AI technology. And so I think as a consultant, you need to know how things work, know what tools are doing what and how they operate, and so you can help these executives guide their decisions of um, and suggest solutions to some of the problems they're facing that they think AI might be able to help with.
So we've talked about, there's misinformation going around, especially with enterprise businesses. Obviously, all the challenges that they face, and we haven't even talked about the bureaucracy that's in there. So, as an AI consultant going in, I have my work cut out for me. Obviously, what would you give to an enterprise business as far as advice goes on just taking the first steps to implementing AI across the company?
I would counter your last point and say don't do it across the company. I would say just implement small bits and pieces, find use cases that are great, that AI just totally fits as a technology, put it in, implement in the company, and start rolling it out and seeing how it works. Because there's a lot of testing, and these are very big, large, complex organizations. But I wouldn't just start with one. I would do a whole batch of 5 or 10 different technologies, trying them different departments, seeing what works better and what doesn't work better. I mean, at my time at Amazon, we would Amazon would very specifically have multiple teams solving the exact same problem from a very different perspective and very different way. And I think with this new technology, that's one of the ways you want to tackle it.